Shalom, family. Most High in Christ bless. The goal is to enable anyone to take ownership of their health. As we know, good health can decrease or eliminate our risk of developing certain conditions. And with that being said, today I would like to introduce the burdock root. The burdock root is a very beneficial herb. It's a powerful herb, and it's a good herb to always have on hand. It's good for improving blood sugar and treating diabetes, treating and preventing infections in the body, purifying the blood. It's a great diuretic. If you're a person that holds water retention or fluid retention, burdock root is a good herb to get the excess water off of your body. It's good at reducing inflammation, treating and preventing cancer, skin issues, and also burdock root is good for your bone health, in particular arthritis, which is inflammation. So if you're suffering from achy knees, hands, or arms, burdock root is a great herb for arthritis. It's also good as a blood cleanser, which is very helpful to your liver health. And like I'll tell anyone, too much of anything, it's not good. So always take breaks from taking your herbs, do your own research, and consult your doctor, especially if you're taking other medications. Any herbal supplements does interact with your medication, so always consult your doctor. One of the risks of taking burdock root, it may increase the risk of bleeding in people with bleeding disorders. So that's one of the risks or disadvantages of taking the burdock root. There are many forms of using burdock root. You can consume it raw. You can cook it. You can make burdock root tea, or you can consume it as a supplement. My favorite would be using it as a tea or a supplement. And lastly, family, whether you're looking to maintain your health or greatly improve it, burdock root is a great herb to always have on hand. And with that, peace, love, and in good health, shalom.